How to restart iPhone without touching screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. There might be times when your touch screen is not responding, so a quick way to solve it is press and release the volume up button, and then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button, and you will get the slide to power off option. Slide to power off if you are able to touch your screen. Even if it is not responding to touch, keep sliding on the slide bar. There are times when iPhone screen goes all black without any power off option. You do not have to worry about that. Let the phone be for a few minutes or so and power on again, and you will be able to get back into your iPhone again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.